want to see it. Uh-huh. Ready? What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back in another pickup, and today we got a special super duper unboxing. Today I got my special guest, my co-star, Miss Anila, and of course we're gonna maximize today's specialness by letting her take over the show. Where you going, baby? You wanna bring them in? Come on, we'll put them in. Boom. There we go. So now we can start this show. All right, so pick up where we left off. Today's special unboxing, we're doing a pair of Nike ReactX Infinity Run 4. And these are not just a special unboxing. We're actually gonna do a comparison because these are the newest version of shoes from Nike that uses ReactX. And the next pair of shoes I'm gonna bring on after this is gonna be with the Versus of the ZoomX Tech. Alright, so first thing about this shoe that stands out to me that you guys are going to notice is this super duper vibrant colorway. This colorway is labeled as a white, a lemon twist, Volt, and black. And just look at the shoe, you can see what each color represents. You see the white, of course, you see the black, and you see the nice little lemon twist as well as the Volt. Now, I know some of you guys are probably wondering, what is ReactX? So ReactX is newer tech in comparison to the regular React. If you guys remember, I think in season one or season 2, I think season 1, I'll introduce you guys to the Nike Reacts. It was the ISPA, and I was telling you guys, hey, this shoe is here. This tech is here to stay. Now, they've upgraded it to the X form. The X gives you about 13% more energy, at least according to Nike. And I'll be honest, looking back at those shoes, how they feel in comparison to how these feel, they're right, because these are slightly more responsive. Not enough to be like, well, these are super duper better, but these are slightly more responsive. So that 13%, I don't know how they came up with that number, but I'll go with that. I mean, it sounds about right. I mean, these have a little bit level response, but nothing too heavy. But I was expecting a little bit more, to be honest. All right, so of course, as I tell you guys before, these are the Nike Reacts, and honestly, I did not want to like these shoes, but the more I wore them, the more they grew on me, and the more I figured out who this shoe is for. This shoe is actually for the people that's going to actually run in their shoes, because like I said, the responsiveness on this is very subtle. It's not as much as the ZoomX, but you would think so because of the price point and the amount of reactive tech you have in this shoe. Like this is 2 inches worth of tech. Like if you look at it, at its peak, it's a little under 2 inches, and then it goes down to about 1 inch or so where you really use it. This isn't part of the tech. The tech really stops like right here. So you're looking at a little under 2 inches. Now for $160, that's what you're gonna get, and of course for $180, $20 more. Not in this colorway, but in other colorways, you can find these bad boys right here. Like I said, now these right here, this is a full 2 inches all the way down to 1 inch. And these are super duper responsive, the Nike ZoomX. Now, you may not want that. And then at first I wanted that for this shoe. But as I wore these and I walked in them casually throughout the house, I noticed how comfortable these are. These shoes are for the people that enjoy that casual, like that casual responsiveness, that little bit of a that's what these shoes are for. Now this colorway is super duper clean in my opinion, and the great thing about this shoe is that you're able to customize it. Nike does allow you to customize these. Now like I said, I wish the price point was different. I honestly do. I wish that this was maybe 110 to 140, maybe 130, and then the customized version 160. I think a lot more people would buy these, but as I said, it's a great shoe overall, man. You have the Prime knitting right here, you have the React right here, and of course you guys know what these logos stand for. This lets you know that this shoe is made out of recycled material, and on the back you can really see the shoe on the sole, the recycled material, little specks inside of it. You get a Nike check right here. You get a Nike check right here. Nike check right here. Nike check right here. And one of the cool things about this, I think that this is subtle. Let's see if we can get this. So you see how it says Nike React, and if you turn to the side, look at that. Look at how the dots are beating off of it. I don't know, man. I like that. That's pretty cool in my eyes. But also inside of the shoe is pretty cool as well. So if you look right here, you're gonna notice that right there. It's not throughout the whole shoe, but this is actually what keeps your foot in place when you're running and casually walking if you want to speed walk. All right, so real quick, just want to show you guys this one thing. If you guys look right here, and then you look right here, there's little indentions within the paint. Let's just let you know it's wear and tear from when I actually wore these shoes. I've tried the left shoe on, I haven't tried the right shoe on, because I just thought about it when I was trying on the Infinities, and it's the same thing where right where the pressure points are for when you're walking, you'll see the little indentions in the paint. Now, it's not a big deal to me, and for some people it's not gonna be a deal breaker for them, but just want to give you guys a quick little heads up, because like I said, if you look right here, it's nothing, right? And as I walk, you see, now it's there, but it's not a big deal. I mean, it's gonna happen anyway. I haven't tried this shoe on just yet. I just want to show you guys that. All right, so real quick. Now, this shoe is laced. This shoe is not laced. As far as slipping these things on, it's gonna be almost impossible if they're already laced up. You definitely have to use your hands. Now, as far as unlaced, yeah, I mean, you could, but the time you spend adjusting, it'll be a lot easier just to do it with your hands. Lace these up. Now these are, of course, a 10.5. I wear 10, 10.5. They say go half a size up. I did. I got 10.5. If you go half a size up like they recommend, it's gonna like a glove-like fit. If you go a whole size up, it may be a little bit more comfortable. This is not uncomfortable, but it is just a little bit tight right here. And I'm fine with that because this is the area where they reinforce just to make sure the shoes doesn't come off when you're actually running. So over time, I feel it will be a lot more comfortable just because of how the way the shoe is made, which I showed you guys earlier. So. I'm extremely excited, and I feel sad a little bit when this tends to happen. But as you guys know, I do a lot of sneaker reviews, and I was fortunate enough to get an extra pair of shoes for free, for the Frito. So in order to keep my karma good, because I know somebody paid for these and I didn't, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I'm gonna give these shoes away. But if